Welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today's recipe is Greek salad. It is a popular salad in Greek cuisine. In this video, you will learn to make the salad along with its dressing. So let's get started. So first I'm going to take lettuce. Here I have taken iceberg lettuce. Normally we take romaine lettuce for this recipe. Cut your lettuce into small square sized pieces. Please ensure that you disinfect all the vegetables used for making the salad in turmeric and salt water at least for half an hour. So I have transferred all the lettuce into salad bowl. Next I am using bell peppers or capsicum. In this recipe I have used yellow and green colored bell peppers. You can use the color of your choice, whichever is available. Cut the bell peppers and remove the white fleshy part. Remove seeds if any. Cut the bell peppers into thin strips and keep them aside. Next I am using a zucchini. Cut the edges. Take the required amount and cut them into small cubes. Next I have taken a red onion. Cut into half and then slice them. Next I am using avocados. Cut the avocados into half, de-seed them, peel off the skin and cut them into cubes. Next I am using cherry tomatoes. You can also use normal tomatoes. If you're using cherry tomatoes, cut them into half. If you're using normal ones, cut them into cubes. Now let's start arranging the salad vegetables. So into a salad bowl, I have kept lettuce. On top of that, I am placing olives, capsicum or bell peppers. Then some cherry tomatoes. The zucchini cubes. The yellow bell pepper or capsicum, red onion slices and avocados. Now finally we are going to top the salad with some cheese. Here I have used cottage cheese or paneer. Generally we use feta cheese. Feta cheese is salty, so if you're using it, please do not use salt. Next we shall move on to the dressing part. For this I am using 1/4 cup olive oil, squeeze juice of 1 lemon, next, add 2 garlic cloves, crush them gently and add to the dressing. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon honey. This is optional. Adding honey will make your dressing a lot flavorful. An important tip to remember, pour your salad dressing on top of your salad only when you are about to consume it. So our salad dressing is ready. Pour the salad dressing on top of the salad and serve immediately. Enjoy this crunchy, fresh, flavorful and healthy salad. If you liked this video and are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Thank you for watching.